Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Reading the labels of all the products we buy is very important because it's the only way to know what's in those products. Many people read this information, especially on beauty products, but still can't understand their chemical composition. Not even people with above-average understanding of chemistry can identify all the components. Trying to avoid being copied by competitors, several companies avoid divulging the complete composition of their products. This can be dangerous to us as consumers. How many times do we put lotion on our face without even knowing what it's made of and how dangerous it could be? Here is a great, totally natural recipe for a cleansing lotion. It's made of coconut oil and baking soda. Baking soda serves as an excellent exfoliant to remove all kinds of skin impurities and help with acne. It can also help with sunburns. Coconut oil hydrates and repairs the skin and has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It hydrates, kills all the acne-causing bacteria while reducing eczema, psoriasis, and other symptoms of skin diseases. This recipe is completely natural, easy to make, and cheap. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, liquid, 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Instructions: mix the coconut oil with the baking soda. Apply it to your face as you would with any other cleanser. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.